subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Realme sub-brand Dizo has launched two new feature phones in India called Dizo Star 300 and Dizo Star 500. Both of these devices comes with a stylish design pattern, and among these two, the Dizo Star 500 is the higher variant with more features. Talking about the specifications, the Dizo Star 500 supports a 2.8-inch display with QVGA resolution. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Spectrum SC6531E processor paired with 32 MB of RAM and 32 MB of internal storage that is expandable up to 64 GB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the camera, the Dizo Star 500 features a single 0.3 megapixel camera on the rear and a circular module at the top center, including LED flash. The handset packs with 1900 mAh removable battery, and additionally, it supports 5 local regional languages. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 2G, Bluetooth 2.1, 3.5mm headphone jack, FM radio, and a micro USB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 132.5 by 55.4 by 12 mm and it weighs around 108 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Dizo Star 500 has been priced in India at 1799 Indian rupees, and it is now available for purchase in the country in black, silver and green color options. So what do you guys think of this Dizo Star 500 phone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.